Good morning to all the succulent growers out there and small business owners who want to grow their businesses. So this morning I went and looked for mother stock because sometimes we are worried where to get mother stock to start. So I stopped at a small nursery and I bought 20 plants for 20 Rand each. So it cost me 400 Rand for 20 mother stock plants. And we are going to replant them now, put fertilizer and do the cuttings, and then we will tell you how many cuttings we got of the 20 plants. I'm going to show you the plant. So we got a couple of these ones, a couple of them, and these two. Now at the moment they don't look so nice, but I will show you guys how many cuttings we got of them and how do after we replant them and do the cuttings and replant the cuttings as well. So to get mother stock is not difficult. Go to small nurseries and buy yourself a plant that you can see have babies on. We'll show you now. Thank you guys.